Hello, good friends. It's a beautiful day. Welcome back to Kind Finder channel. As usual, we're gonna show you some informations today about how to put Telegram link on your Facebook. But before we start, please subscribe Kind Finder channel and don't forget to turn on the notification so you will not miss any updates from us. Thank you. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, if you want to put your Telegram link on your Facebook, of course, you have to get your Telegram link. In this case, this is your Telegram link or your account on Telegram. So when people click on that link, they will go to your Telegram chat immediately. But before we start, I will show you how to get your Telegram link. This is a Telegram username. It shows you how to get your link or how to make your Telegram link. There are 3 ways to make your Telegram link. So this is the first link format. This is the second, and it became more simple and stylish. This one. Alright, you just need to change your username. You can replace the username with your Telegram username. So let's try to make a Telegram link of yours. Copy this link, this format link, change the username into your username on Telegram, and then you can put it on your Facebook profile. Go to the 3 lines here on the top right corner. Go to your profile and edit your public details. Tap on this and scroll up. You will find links and you can edit this. Click on edit. And after that, you can see that you can put your social links and also your websites. On social links, you can add your social link. In this case, like YouTube, Snapchat, or WhatsApp. And also you can find Spotify, LinkedIn, Skype, but there is no Telegram here. So we can't choose Telegram. So let's go to websites here, add website. And you can paste your Telegram link, the format that you have copied before. Okay, now let's edit the username, change it into your username, your Telegram username. This is my Telegram username. So, as you can see here. And then save it. Click save on the top right corner. And let's check this on your Facebook profile. As you can see, this is the link that you have added before, the Telegram link. Let's try to tap on it and let's see. Open it using Instagram, Telegram. And so this is your Telegram chat. Let's try it one more time. Okay, this is you. So when people try to click on it, they will see this. They can send you message on Telegram. If you have Telegram, you can contact Kazam right away. Okay, that's how to put your Telegram link on your Facebook. So your Facebook friends will be able to contact your Telegram as well easily without your number. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let us know. And don't forget to subscribe Kind Finder channel. Thank you and see you.